Today we're going to make Indian spiced baked beans. We will need vegetable oil, cumin seeds, curry leaves, dried red chilli, 1 large onion, salt, crushed garlic, crushed ginger, your favorite curry or masala powder, baked beans, fresh coriander. Put 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds into a small cup. Pick 12 curry leaves from their stalks, add them too. Also add 1 dried red chilli. Place 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger into another small cup. Peel and dice the onion. Finally chop the stems and leaves of 1 coriander plant. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Pour in cumin seeds, curry leaves and red chilli. It will spit at you, so be careful. Cook until seeds are slightly browned. Quickly toss in onion and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir them and fry until onions are soft. We don't want them to go brown, but a little bit of colour is okay. Add the garlic and ginger. Stir for about a minute. Add 1.5 teaspoons of your curry powder and stir for another minute. Pour in 3 420 gram cans of baked beans in tomato sauce. Stir and cook with lid on for 5 minutes. If it looks too watery, take the lid off and cook a bit longer. Turn off the heat, add coriander and stir gently. Taste it to see if it needs more salt. Serve the baked beans masala on toast or however you would normally serve baked beans. It's delicious on top of smashed avocado on toast. This is an easy way of making breakfast for guests. It's also a good dish for lunch or brunch because you can make it ahead of time. Leftover baked beans can be stored in a container in the fridge for a few days. Heat them up in the microwave when you need them. If you're brave, you can eat the dried chili.